This is episode 1 of the Craftsman build thread that I will be posting. Hopefully there'll be other builds. This is a first for me, so this is the first of the threads. In this build, we are going to be building the Bar Mills limited run 21st anniversary diorama of Monk Hill. It's actually a 5-building diorama. This is the box it comes in. As you can see, there's a number of different buildings, and this is the first time I've ever built one of their limited run dioramas, but I'm assuming that there's also everything in here needed to build this diorama, as far as fencing, sidewalks, the poles, the electrical poles, etc. We'll find out. Not only is this the first time I've ever tried to build a diorama this big, it's also the first time I've ever tried to do a video series such as this. So we should have fun. We'll all learn, I guess. For those of you who are modelers already, please feel free to critique what you see. If you know anybody who's young and is starting to build their models, please let them know. They can follow along. They might be able to learn a thing or two. As we get forward here, let's open this box and see what we can find inside. Okay, there's directions. That's huge. Apparently there's all five builds in there. This is interesting. This looks like it came from online. Craftsman Kits 101. A lot of interesting different things. I know there's a link to this on Bar Mills website. That's very handy to have. So let's take a look what's inside here. Okay, here's electric poles. I may not be building this as a diorama. I may just be building the different buildings separately. I'm not sure yet. Here's people. Here's a carpentry crew. Here we have dock workers. And then a lot of packages. Okay, this is packages of miscellaneous chimneys, smokestacks, miscellaneous odds and ends. Here, this is sidewalk, plastic sidewalk. Here's an 8/0 scale truck, 1926 weight flathead truck. That looks pretty cool. Interior bracing, the whole package of it. What's this? Oh, small little bits and pieces. Not sure what it's going to be once you build it. Here's the bag of the battery building. I'm not sure what order these will be made in. That's the battery building. Here's the banjo building. Each building's got its own separate package by the looks of it. And this one here, I don't know. There's nothing, it doesn't say what it is, but Oh, that's a typewriter building. Well, here's some fencing. Plastic fencing. Here's some miscellaneous wooden windows. All labeled. Here's some more. Okay, these are based on which building they're used in. This is a Stanley building. This other one here was the Buckabee building. This is the Battery building. This is the Underwood typewriter building. Here's the bag for the Stanley building. And a miscellaneous piece of wood. A couple pieces here. It looks like fencing, maybe siding. What's this? This is some instructions. Must have been added to the afterwards, after the fact. Here's a tube, a culvert maybe. Oh, there's the Monk Hill sign. There's some cardstock that's been pre-cut. Not sure what that's for. Oh, there's some more wood. Must have fallen out of one of the packages. Oh, some more cardstock. This might be for, oh, this looks like it might be shingles of something, maybe. Roofing. There's a number of those. Here's some more shingles. Sheets and sheets of shingles. And that's it. So, should give us everything we need to complete this diorama. And should be a lot of fun. So we'll take it from here, and I'll figure out what the first one is, and we'll start that with the next episode. I hope you follow along. Thanks.